Hello friends, welcome back again. In this video, I will explain you how we can use the CTR command 16-bit cycle counting instruction in INVT PLC. But before start this video, please like, share and subscribe this channel. This way you will be never miss upcoming videos. So let's get started. First of all, we will open our AutoStation software and here we will open the project from our PC. Click it on the counter and open. And now we will create a new program. Just took a open contact. Any bit you can choose. It can be a signal from the outside. It can be a signal from the internal memory. Whatever where you like to be see this counting signal, that you can choose. I am choosing the physical input of the PLC X0, and next I will take the instruction from the program control section, that the CTR 16-bit counter loop cycle counting instruction. Drag and drop this command into the ladder window and choose the C counter, and here you have to be type the value of target value of counter. An example decimal number we will be choose, and here value we can give the an example 10 value and click OK. That the CTR. After this is the your counter number and this is your desired number which you have targeted, yani how much values after you on and off are of your coil. And next row we will be take the output of our C0, and next one output we will be took any you can take by 0, and just this function we will be download into the PLC. And let's check what's the function of this CTR counter. It's very interesting and very special command you can use in the logic which you can practice in the PLC. It means this 10 value we set here 10 values after need the output on. But what is the speciality of the CTR? This one, as this value completed the 10, this output will be on. But as this value increase the 1 means increase, after this output will be off. Means this is automatically go to the reset. No need to be any other command have to be give for the reset. So let's test. I will give the signal at X0. You can see now our counting is ready. As this value will be complete 8, 9, and this is one more signal 10. You can see output is now on. But as one more signal I will be give, it will be automatically off the output and goes to reset. And again when you give the signal, it will be make counting, and as this value 10 will be completed, it will be on, and again one more signal if it come, it will be go to reset. And an example, if you like to be change this value, so what to do, you have to be close this one and double click it on this one, and here you write the 10. Here you have to be type D10 for example, and click enter, and again write into the PLC. Basically this in the program, if you fixed value put, that's for only one time, and if you like to be changeable value, so you have to be put in the D form, D10, D20, D0, whatever which data register you like to be choose, you can choose. This is nothing issue. Now you can see this is here 0, and click it on the 0 and go to the right, and here you can write the value. For an example 5 counts after I need to on my output. Still not right. Again sorry, C0 not C0, this is we have to make it 0, and here we have to be type the 5, because of here is our coming the current value which is counting, and here is our value which is our preset value. And now again we will be test 1 2 3 4, and as this 5 will be completed, our output will be on, and as one more signal will become, after you can see output is now off. So hope guys you will be understand about this CTR counter. If not understand anything, you can send me the message in comment section. I will give you feedback as soon as possible. So thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.